Okay. All right, guys. Good afternoon. It's late afternoon, actually. Good late afternoon to you. This is my content, and we are planning for our bicycle tour. Which obviously I just wanted to erect my tent and announce to you our next bicycle tour in Kumasi, in the heart of Ghana. The only wonderful place they are Bengaka. The only wonderful place that you tend to have more of natural scenes. I'm talking about the only garden city in no other place but in Kumasi. I'm done with my tent and I want to just relax in it for a little while, and we talk about the bicycle tour. So just hold on for me. Still hold on. All right, get in, let's see. So obviously, the tent is meant for 2 people or 2 occupants. This tent is meant for 2 occupants. So I can lie here this way. And my other partner could also lie beside me here. And if it's in the evening, one of the things you could do is to fold up. And let's just assume that let's just assume that it's raining. So obviously the gentleman up there closes that side, and I'm in. There would be hook wavy wall. Okay, so he hooks those parts and bingo, I'm in my tent. If I want air to enter, it's through this side. Cool. It's a nice room to at least enjoy for your camping more. Now, to anyone who is interested in what I do, I'm Salom NS, so the traveling photographer. I've toured around the country more than 50 times and over, and I'm still doing so. Currently, I'm in Kumasi, somewhere closer to Lake Bosomtwi, and from here to the lake side is about 20 minutes drive. Now, one of the things, or some of the things I do as a traveling photographer is being a tour guide, which I am able to take people, or I take people to places, talk about places and the rest, and the opportunities as far as those places are concerned, the history behind the places and more. Now, aside the tour guiding also, I organize bicycle tour, I organize camping, I organize hiking and the rest. Now, aside those ones also, I happens to be a safari photographer as well. There are lots that we could talk about, but then let's hold this for now and then we'll get back again.